Good morning, my crafty friends. This is Lori Girl on the Ridge in a very happy place. Finally. It's been crazy. I hope you guys are happy, safe, healthy. I have to say, it's been a little overwhelming and a little depressing, but gotta get up. I think it was Monday where we got on the news that they're closing all the restaurants. Everything's closed, even our casino, and just, oh my goodness, it is overwhelming, but we'll get through it. We're crafters, so we always have a lot to do, and we can always clean, because God knows it never stops. So we're back at it. So this is a file folder custom order for Miss A. It's going to be going to Australia. She liked pink with little red in it. So Shabbydabbydodah Blossom Blush was a perfect kit for this. So this is her file folder. It really came out pretty because the colors are, I didn't ink as heavy. And we have flip ups. This is just the cover. This flips down. This is a paper clip that holds it. This is a little match booklet. And that opens up. This is just a little booklet. And then over here, these are just so fun to make. Is something that's stuck. Stuck. Oh, little thread. Little booklet. There's a lot of little booklets. This lace, all the laces from Esme's shop, Crafty Me shop. Then we have just some paper here. Flip, flip. And then there's a pocket there. And some postcards. And this is all Shabbydabbydoodah's kit. I don't think I used anything else. And then little coffee filter envelope that kind of just goes in the pocket and keeps everything down. So that's just the front. And then the inside. Okay, let's see. Top. This is a snippet. And this just lifts up and kind of pulls over. Again, just to hold it down. And that flips open. And then I have all pieces of the kit, but I made little notepads in it. And then here is a little packet with a sewn in note. And then a little notepad. Just some little goodies. I'm not going to pull everything out to surprise her. This is a little bag with another paper clip on it. Something will be in the bag. The bag flips over and there's more of the kit. And there's more. There's a guest check decorated with a writing pad. This is kind of like a big 20-page journal, just blank so you can write in it. And I put doilies and just pretties. It's just the colors are just so pretty. And then in here I made another one, skinny one with another paper clip that holds it. So that is your top parts. And then the bottom part, I make a room. Okay, this is a big snippet that I just pinned, so you can take that off. Like I said, this is all Shabbydabbydodah and Crafty Me shop. And then this folds open. And then this is an envelope. And there'll be a goodie in there. And then there's some pretty tags and an envelope from the kit. And this is just a collage piece there. That opens up. This opens up. This opens up. And a notepad over here. Lift up here. And then there's some pretty tags with ribbons and beautiful lace and some top pockets in there, or envelopes. And then an envelope that I did the die cut with my die cut machine, and I put some goodies in there. And that is it of the back. I don't know what I did with the back. I forgot. Oops. And there'll be a little extra goodies in there for you. And then in the back, I just put a some old book paper with some trim, and it's a pocket. So probably envelope or something skinny. So that is yours, Miss A from Australia. And then I made, and I'm going to make a couple more of these. Are there's a dark pink paper under there, and I covered it with Esme's Crafty Me Shop lace that I love. It's almost 3D. And then I just did a collage piece with Shabbydabbydodah, and it's funny because I had a piece of pink seam binding with pieces of red dots. So I sewed, or I kind of ironed it best I could so you could see it. So there's pops of red, and then just opens up, and they have there'll be some surprises in there. So that is for you, Miss A, again. And the other things I have are, I think this is the only one left. These are the Peter Rabbit books and envelopes, and then a little, I don't think I showed these because I just, come on. Little tags. There's 3 little tags here. And I put them on a brad. You can leave them. You can take them apart, whatever. With a wax envelope. And then there's something in there. And then the books. The books I just kind of, I know each book, each of the sets, I know the other 3. Everything will be shipped out either Thursday or Friday. Because our post office is very slow. I think they're down to 1 worker. So if I go in there and there's a long line, I don't wait. I don't wait with all those people. And just kind of like a little of everything in there. So this is the last one. And then I did the other 2 that were really not Eastery but springy. I did that. All this is waxed. And I did a big tag from just for the blue. That's, I know that's from Tsunami Rose. Oh, where's the envelope? There's an envelope here somewhere. Well, there's an envelope. And then the book. This is just a decorated little book, just like the Easter ones, but just very lightly embellished with pretties. But enough where it's squishy enough to put in your purse without a lot of things falling off. Then there's an envelope. And then this is more of the peach. And there's, again, all waxed. And this is like the envelope you'll get. They've all been waxed and stamped. They're all similar to this. And this tag, this one was another Tsunami Rose bigger tag. And then this book was just fun to put together. Little here and there decorations. So these are also in my Etsy shop. And that is it for right now. I will be back today with, I'm only going to say one thing in case I don't make it for the second thing. I'm starting another fabric cover, vintage pink and very girly with the lace. So we'll do some layering on the cover, and I'll be back. See you soon. Bye.